Right, 25 to the power of y is equal to 125. So what we do is we just rewrite the bases. So 25 to the power of y is the same as 5 to the power of 2y, and 125 is the same as 5 cubed. And so now we get a new equation. 2y is equal to 3. Y is therefore equal to 3 over 2. Alright, so we've got 9 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 81 to the power of 3x plus 4. So we can rewrite 9 as 3 squared. Multiply the exponent by the exponent. So 2 times x minus 2 is 2x minus 4. And then 81 is just 3 to the power of 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. So now we have 2x minus 4 is equal to 12x plus 16. And then we can just solve that like a normal equation. So we've got 27 to the power of x plus 4 equals 1 over 81 times the square root of 3. So 27 we can rewrite as 3 cubed. 3 times x plus 4 is 3x plus 12. And we've got that equal to 1 over 81 times the square root of 3. 81 can be rewritten as 3 to the power of 4. And the square root of 3 can be rewritten as 3 to the power of 1 over 2. Now we've got a situation here where we're multiplying with the same bases, so we keep the bases and add the exponents. 4 plus 1 over 2 becomes 4.5. 3 to the power of 4.5. Now 1 over something is the same as that thing with the exponent negated. So 1 over 3 to the power of 4.5 is the same as 3 to the power of negative 4.5. So now we have a new equation. 3x plus 12 is equal to negative 4.5. We've got negative 33 over 2. 33 over 2 times 1 over 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And that can further be simplified into negative 11 over 2. One over 9 to the power of x minus 4 equals 81. Okay, so we'll start with 1 over 9. 9 can be rewritten as 3 squared. Now 1 over 3 squared is the same as 3 to the power of negative 2. Negative 2 times x minus 4 is negative 2x plus 8. And that equals 81, which is the same as 3 to the power of 4. Negative 2x plus 8 is equal to 4. Nine to the power of x plus 5 equals 27 to the power of x. Again, same strategy. Rewrite 9 as 3 squared. 2 times x plus 5 is 2x plus 10. And 27 is 3 cubed, so 3 to the power of 3x. 2x plus 10 is equal to 3x. So, I mean, this one pretty straightforward. I don't really think I have to explain. X equals 7 because we have same bases, which means exponents are equal to each other. Again, not too hard. X equals -7. Okay, good. I wanted this example. So now we've got 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 16. Now, we know that when we multiply same bases, we can add the exponents. So we can actually rewrite the 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x plus 2 as 2 to the power of 2x plus 2, because x plus x is 2x. And 16 is the same as 2 to the power of 4. 2x plus 2 is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 2, and therefore x is equal to 1. Three times 8 to the power of x is equal to 3 over 8 squared. So, number of ways we could do it. We could just distribute the 3, or what we could do, might even be a better strategy, is just to divide the right side by 3. So we could just do times is equal to 3 over 8 squared times 3. So I guess you could solve this number of ways. You could just distribute the 3. But I'm going to do it slightly differently. I'm just going to divide the right side by 3. So I'm going to do equals 3 over 8 squared times 1 over 3, so times 3. 3 and 3 cancel out and become 1. And you're left with 8 squared, which is the same as 1 over 8 squared, which is the same as 8 to the power of -2, which means that x is equal to -2. (40 times 2 to the power of x minus 3 is equal to 20. I guess we could just do 40 times. Actually, no, we couldn't, because there's an exponent here. So what I would do to solve this is I would do 2x minus 3 is equal to 20 over 40, which simplifies to 1 over 2. And 1 over 2 is the same as 2 to the power of -1. X minus 3, so now we've already got our equation. X minus 3 is equal to -1. -1 plus 3 is 2. So x is equal to 2. 5 to the power of x times 25 to the power of x minus k is equal to 25. So we've got 5 to the power of x times 25 to the power of x minus k. What I'll do is I'll rewrite that 25 to the power of x minus k as 5 to the power of 2x minus 2k, and that's equal to 5 squared. Now notice how we have same bases here, so I can actually just get rid of this and then change this to 3x. And that's it. 3x minus 2k is equal to 2. Now we're solving for x, so we'll add 2k to the other side and then divide all of that over 3. X is equal to 2 plus 2k over 3. 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 3 is equal to the cube root of 9. So we can rewrite 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 3 as 3 to the power of negative x plus 3. And we can rewrite the cube root of 9 as 9 to the power of 1 over 3. And we can rewrite 9 as 3 to the power of 2. And 2 times 1 over 3 is 2 over 3. Negative x plus 3 is equal to 2 over 3. Oops. 2 over 3 minus 3 would be equal to negative 7 over 3. And obviously negative x equaling negative something, that just means x equals 7 over 3. Okay, 1 over 16, we'll rewrite that as 16 to the power of negative 1. We'll rewrite 16 as 2 to the power of 4. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times x minus 4 is equal to negative 4x plus 16. 64 is the same as 2 to the power of 6. 3 times 6 is 18x minus 6. Negative 4x plus 16 is equal to 18x minus 6. And 22 equals 22x, which means that x is equal to 1. Okay, so when you have the right side equal to 1, it's pretty easy to do, because it means that this entire equation is going to equal 0, because anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And the way that it would be equal to 0 is if twice the value of x minus 4 was equal to 0. So you have to think 2x minus 4 equals 0, 2x equals 4, x equals 4 over 2. So x is equal to 4 over 2. Now I could have solved that, oh, sorry. X is equal to 2. So like I could have solved that, by just like using the same exponent laws, but sometimes you can just use math logic to solve something. Okay, so we've got the square root of 5 to the power of k is equal to 0.2. I will rewrite the square root of 5 as 5 to the power of 1 over 2, and that times k is k over 2. And 0.2, if I write that as a fraction, it's just 1 over 5, which is the same as 5 to the power of negative 1. K over 2 is equal to negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Yeah, pretty easy. So 3 to the power of 2y is equal to 3 to the power of 3. 2y equals 3, which means that y is equal to 3 over 2. So we've got the same numbers here. So instead of breaking them down, we can just work with them directly, because we can very easily just rewrite this as n is equal to 1 over 5. Same situation. So x is equal to 1 over 8. Very easy. X is equal to 1 over 2, because the square root of 5 is the same as to the power of 1 over 2, and we've got same bases, exponents are equal to each other. 2y is equal to 1 over 16, which would become 1 over 2 to the power of 4, which would become 2 to the power of negative 4. Therefore, y is equal to negative 4. Again, pretty straightforward. X is equal to negative 2. Eight to the power of x is equal to 1. Very easy, because anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0. Uh, 9 times 9. Oh, so x equals 2. 9 to the power of what is 81? 2. Sometimes you get so lost in the exponent laws that you don't realize you can just solve it intuitively. Okay, this one's different. We haven't seen this one yet. 10 to the power of x is equal to 0.01. Now, I'd say the key for this one is just turning 0.01 into a fraction. So that's just the same as 1 over 100, because there are 2 zeros. And 100 is... That wants to hurry up. 100 is the same as 10 squared. And 1 over 10 squared is the same as 10 to the power of negative 2, which means x equals negative 2. Again, very easy. X is equal to 1 over 4. Oh, that's funny. 8 to the power of what is equal to 16? We can rewrite that as 2 to the power of 3. Y is equal to 2 to the power of 4. 3y equals 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, I've got 343, which seems like a random number, but it is a power of 7. So I guess you could just use a logarithm to figure out what that power is. Or actually, 7's a prime number, so you could also do a prime factorization. Yeah, and that would give you 7 cubed. So square root of 7 is 7 to the power of 1 over 2, and bada bang, bada boom, that times y, like that, is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Y over 2 is equal to 3, which means y is equal to 6. 25, again, very simple, okay. 2x plus 2 is equal to 5, 9x minus 12. Eight to the power of x plus 2 can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 3x plus 6, and that is equal to 1 over 16 times the square root of 2. 16 can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 4, and the square root of 2 can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 1 over 2. We've got same bases, so we add the exponents. 4 plus 1 over 2 is 4.5. And 1 over 2 to the power of 4.5 is the same as 2 to the power of negative 4.5. So we've got 3x plus 6 equals negative 4.5. Negative 4.5 minus 6 is equal to, that would be negative 10.5, so negative 21 over 2. Divide by 3. If we had to do that without a calculator, I would just do this. sure that can be simplified. Yes, it can. Negative 21 over 6 would simplify to common denominator is 3, so 7 over 2. Square root of 9 is the same as 3 squared to the power of negative 2. 2x plus 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. I'm sorry, is 3 to the power of 4 not... Oh, sorry, my mistake. Sign errors. The death of me. Negative 2x minus 6 is equal to 4.